Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making the most amazing butter chicken. For this recipe we are using 2 pounds of boneless and skinless chicken thighs. We are cutting the chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. Feel free to remove any excess fat. Once your chicken has been all cut up, add 1 cup of full-fat Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. If Kashmiri red chili powder is not available in your area, then combine 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika with 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and the juice of half a lemon. Then toss until all the ingredients are evenly incorporated. Once the chicken has been covered in the marinade, cover and transfer to the fridge. Let the chicken marinate for at least 3 hours or overnight. However, if you are on a time crunch, even 30 minutes will add the chicken tons of flavor and make it really moist. Once your chicken has marinated in a large skillet over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once the skillet is smoking hot, add the chicken to the skillet in batches. Sear the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Once the first side has been browned, flip it over and brown the other side for another couple of minutes. By the way, we are not cooking the chicken all the way through here, we're just browning the chicken. Once your chicken has been browned, remove from the skillet and set it aside. Continue sauteing the rest of the chicken in batches. After all the chicken has been browned, reduce the heat to medium. Using the same skillet, add 1 more tablespoon of vegetable oil, followed by 1 medium-sized onion diced, 6 cloves of garlic minced, 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger, either minced or pressed. Saute for about 2 to 3 minutes or until soft. Then add half a cup of water to loosen up the fond, that is the foundation or the brown stuff stuck at the bottom of the pan. Let that simmer for a couple of minutes as the water evaporates. Now add 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Give that a quick toss and wake up the spices, about 1 to 2 minutes. Then add a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. Rinse your tomato can or jar with half a cup of water and add to the pan. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to help with the acidity from the tomatoes. Mix that in to incorporate. Let it simmer over medium heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. We want the sauce to be as smooth as possible, either transfer into a blender or use a hand blender. Oops, I have sauce splattering all over the place. If your skillet is as shallow as mine, then transfer your sauce into a large mixing bowl or a blender. Then blend the sauce as smooth as possible. After you are done blending the sauce, transfer back into the skillet. Continue simmering over medium heat and bring the chicken back into the skillet. Give it a toss and ensure that all the chicken pieces are covered in the sauce. Let it simmer for about 5 minutes as the chicken finishes cooking off. Then add 1 cup of heavy cream. Get the heavy cream incorporated as the sauce thickens. Bring the sauce to a light simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Continue simmering on low for about 2 to 3 minutes as you stir the pan. Now add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and turn the heat off. Continually stir the butter until the butter has melted. And to finish it off, garnish with fresh cilantro. Serve with white rice, and I think now you are ready to eat. Ooh. There you guys have it, the most amazing butter chicken. Enjoy, buen provecho, see you on the next one, bye.
Yeah.